Yes, so thank you for being here, everyone. I am going to begin now with my normal breathing. Saying that please keep your normal breaths going. If you have had water, that's good. And now, if you want to close your eyes, you can. And if you are comfortable with a lightly, keep your lids slightly open and you can focus your gaze on one spot. I hope you're sitting comfortably. That's very important. Your back is supported. And once you are in a settled position, I want you to just relax. Let's start relaxing. Take it easy. Keep breathing, and we shall begin. We will inhale deeply as much as you comfortably can, and then exhale longer than what you usually do. So that will be, and then long, release it slowly but deeply. Ready? Let's begin with breathing a little deeper than what we usually breathe. We'll take a couple of minutes to do that. Make sure you deep breathe. Breathe deeply, and deep breathe is going on. You can adjust yourself if you feel a little uncomfortable. You can move around a little bit, settle yourself, because you want to make sure that you don't move too much once we begin with the other four cycles of breathing. I'm timing you, so you don't have to worry about that. I will let you know when you need to come back. Keep breathing deep, which is slower and longer. Through your nostrils. Please come back to your normal breathing, or you can continue a little deeper than the normal that we do it during the daytime. Now we will do fast breathing for a minute and then another minute. Ready? Let's begin. Through the nostril, through the mouth. Through the nostril, through the mouth. So continue, please. All right. We can stop here the fast breathing and keep our normal breath going on. And we'll do for another minute. Adjust yourselves. And ready, go. Continue with your own pace. If you feel dizzy or any other feeling that is not comfortable, you can slow down and just keep breathing normal. Continue your normal breathing. And you please do let me know. All right. I hope you are breathing normally now. You can come back out of your fast breathing. Now we will do, so this is one cycle. Breathe in, out, in, out. Let's begin. And this is on a normal pace. So I am breathing also. Please continue your cycle. Oops. So this is approximately 3 minutes of exercise. Please continue. I'm timing you so you don't have to worry about the time. All right. Please come back to your normal breathing. Let's begin the sound breathing, and we will do the same letters that we have been doing for last 2 weeks, and which is a, la, and ma, and we'll do this also for 3 minutes. Ready? I'll do it with you in the beginning, and then you can continue with your cycle, because we all are at different pace. If you're in a classroom and in each other's presence and the sounds are heard, then I can do together, and then you can join in. But we have different capacities of our lungs are depending on how we exercise every day and what is our breathing pattern. That can be different. All right, let's begin. You breathe in from your nostrils and then you breathe out through your mouth. The sound of ah, and then la, and then ma. I'll do a couple of cycles with you. Let's begin. Please continue. I'm hoping that you're approaching the end, last cycle. Finish up your cycles wherever you are. I'll give 30 seconds to you before we begin our last cycle, which is the calming deeper than before. And then I will do a short energy transfer to all of you. You will close your eyes. I hope you have a comfortable position at this time. Within yourselves and your bodies are feeling little relaxed and calmer. And let's begin with a 2-minute calm. So that will be, now when you breathe in, you breathe in deeper, little deeper than before, and then you deeply and very slowly, and you let go and exhale. All right, let's begin. Take your last deep breaths and just keep breathing calmly. Just stop for 30 seconds or a minute. Wherever you are, find a space for yourself in that moment and just stop and breathe. Just breathe and be thankful for your breath and be in this state that you are receiving all the positivity, all the good energy to move on for the rest of the day, whichever part of the day you are in. And then keep going. Work on yourself, pay attention to your stress, your strains, your mind. What are you thinking, what you are feeling? Whatever you have learned, it's okay, that's what you learned. Just, if it is not serving you well, just let it go. But this is a practice. This is an everyday practice. Do this for next 40 days and you will find yourself feeling better and healthier. And eat well and finish the rest of the glass of water that I had told you to drink in the beginning. If you still have it, please finish it. If you don't, get some more fresh water. And I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful day.